Penguins by Sarah and Caroline. There are 17 species of penguins, and some are found as far north as the equator. Penguins are put into three families: brushtail, crested, and king emperor penguins. Out of the 17 species, only 6 are found in Antarctica.
Penguins are birds with black and white feathers and a funny waddle. But unlike most birds, penguins are not able to fly in the air. Penguins spend as much as 75% of their time underwater, searching for food in the ocean.
When they are in the water, they dive and flap their wings. Their body is built for the most efficient swimming, and their average speed in the water is about 15 miles per hour.
The only time penguins are airborne is when they leap out of the water. Penguins will do this to get a gulp of air before diving back down for fish. Penguins cannot breathe underwater, but can hold their breath for a long time. They also use their ability to leap out of the water to get from the ocean onto land if there are cliffs or ice floes.
Penguins are warm-blooded, just like people, with a normal body temperature of about 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Penguins have a layer of fat under their skin called blubber. Over top of this, they are covered with fluffy down feathers, and over top of those, they have their outer feathers, which overlap to seal in warmth. Penguins rub oil from a gland onto their feathers to help make them waterproof and windproof.
Penguins sometimes still need help to stay warm. Sometimes penguins huddle shoulder to shoulder with their wings tight against their body to keep each other warm. As many as 5,000 penguins will bunch together to warm each other up.
But some penguins have the opposite problem. The Galapagos penguins live in such tropical weather that they get too hot. These penguins spread out their wings and fluff out their feathers to help them cool off.
Penguins eat seafood. Their main diet is fish, but they'll also eat squid, small shrimp-like animals called krill, and crustaceans. Penguins' bills have hooks at the end that are perfect for grabbing dinner. They have backward-facing bristles on their tongues that help slippery seafood from getting away. Penguins drink salt water. They have a special gland in their bodies that take the salt out of the water they drink and pushes it out of grooves in their bill.
Penguins are a food source for lots of marine mammals. Leopard seals hide under ice floes and wait for their prey, the penguins. But the penguins can protect themselves too. Their white bellies blend with the snow and sunlight, making it difficult for an underwater predator to see them.
Penguins are also eaten by a number of birds. The penguins' black backs blend against the dark ocean water, making it more difficult to spot them from above. Penguins also have a number of on-land predators like ferrets, cats, snakes, lizards, foxes, and rats.
During the mating season, penguins go to special nesting areas on the shore. The area where penguins mate, nest, and raise their chicks is called a rookery. When penguins are ready to mate, the male stands with his back arched and wings stretched. He makes a loud call and struts about to attract the female.
When the penguins find a mate, they bond with each other by touching necks and slapping each other on the back with their flippers. They also sing to each other, so they learn to recognize each other's voices. Once a penguin finds a mate, they usually stay together for years, for as long as they have chicks.
You can visit our Google map to see where different kinds of penguins live.